this is our new next problem. So it is said that filter elements from array. So it's saying that given an integer array, we are giving a array and a filtering function. So there is filtering function, return the filter array. So we need to return the array, and the function takes two arguments. First of all, array and then index. So we need to just return the array. So let's use our result function. Let's call the array, and now if we have used the for, we will loop through until my array of length, then we will increase it. Now if my function will be returned, so if my filter function applied, then we will only push filter base dot push, and now return the push. So if we have now, so here run the code. So let's check it. It's successfully running. So if it is now submitting, it's submitted successfully. Our next problem is array reduced transformation. So first read the description. So we have an given integer array nums and a reducer function and initial value in it. So return the final result. We need to return the result obtained by executing function. So the function will take two parameters. One is value and another is nums to array element. So here is the sample input. We say that nums 1, 2, 3, 4, and the function sum it will return initial value 0. So output will be 10. So let's start the coding. So first we need to initialize. We need to put our init value in res. Then we will start our looping. So we'll let loops, and it will be continue until my nums dot length then now we will put our result will be here. We need to call our function. So function will be take, this function will take two parameter. One will be the my result and another will be the array elements. So if we have just coded, and we need to return the result. So if we have returned my res, now let's run the code. First it's running successfully. Now submit our code. Is submitting. So our next problem is function composition. So here in the description it's saying that given an array of function, we have an array of function, return a new function, that is the function composition of the array. So for that let's return the functions. So return, and we will do functions array dot, we will use the array method reduce right, which will reduce, and it will take cc and function, second parameter will be function, and return the function. So if we have now run our code, let's check it. is accepted. Now if we submit our code, let's see, is successfully submitted. Now moving forward to our next problem, that is the return length of argument pass. So write a function argument length that returns the count of argument passed to it. So here say 5, argument is 1. So basically it will return the argument length. So let's start our coding. For that we currently we have the arguments parameter, so we can just return so if we have written, now run our code, we just need to return it. Sorry, we have mistake. So if we have run our code, let's check it. Yeah, it's successfully run, and now if we have submit our code, is successfully submitted.